Hi, y'all. Oh, Lord. Now, listen. First of all, let me explain about my seatbelt. For those of you that are new here, my car, the seatbelt is broken on the driver's side. Not that I hardly ever wear it anyway, but I'm aware that I need to wear it, but it's broken. Oh, Lord. Yuck. Oh. Me and Bannon and Anthony went out to dinner tonight. It was Taco Tuesday, which means tacos are 99 cents. I had two. It was too much. And I drank like 1.5 gallons of water because my pee is still like really, really, really dark brown, which means I am evidently dehydrated. And so I've been trying to chug water all day, and it's not helping. My doctor's office offers like infusions, like vitamin and hydration infusions, and I may actually try to schedule one of those. If they get my blood work back and it shows that I am dehydrated or I was a couple of days ago or whatever, according to the doctor, then on that Monday, guys, I'm telling you, I can't even get my head. Why are all these people there? Lord, they must have a live band or something. I can't understand some of the things that I'm dealing with right now. And then, so, like, I get, like, good news, bad news, good news, good news, bad news, good news. It's like, just at the moment when I have something to rejoice about, something bad comes right behind it. So, anyway, I'm on my way home. Anthony met us at the restaurant because we were already in town. Me and Bannon were. And Bannon had some tacos too. And I don't know, guys. I'm just very uncomfortably full. Or haven't really eaten anything. My stomach got all shrunk up. And those 2 tacos, there was a lot. Now I didn't finish that. I had like 2 bites left of the second taco. And and I had some chips and salsa, obviously. Because, but I've been thinking. I had downloaded the Walk Fit app a while back, and I had paid for an entire year of a subscription. And I've never used it. So, I don't know. I'm thinking about starting tomorrow. I'm going to walk up and down my driveway. My driveway is like an incline. I think I'm going to start putting some exercise with all this and seeing what I can accomplish. Oh my gosh, I'm so full right now. I can just throw up. Oh, it's very comfortable. And I drank so much water, like I can feel it sloshing around in my stomach. It's gross. It's a bad little hill. Slow down. So anyways, tomorrow morning, I'm going with some of my family to make the arrangements for my uncle. And he had already kind of made a lot of his arrangements. So this should be relatively simple. But my little cousin, his son, has never been through this. And, as somebody that's lost a parent, you know, I can help him. Anyway, so then that'll be done. So then we'll have that out of the way. And, wow. My stomach hurts. It's painful. Oh, look. I've been drinking a yogurt, probiotic yogurt drink every day. And I think that's helped the bloating in my stomach tremendously. Because even after I lost the water weight and everything in my legs and my hands, I hadn't really put anything in my stomach hardly at all. And just, drinking ginger ale, eating a banana, eating some toast, stuff like that at first. But my stomach was distended like a little starving African child. It was like blown up with like gas. And you couldn't trust a fart at that point because honey